Good morning, students. Again, I'm Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I will cover the topic fraction and decimals. In this video, I will cover the product of mixed fraction. So in the previous video, I have covered the product of proper and improper fractions. So let's continue with the multiplication of mixed fraction. So student, start with an example. 2 whole 2 by 5 multiply 3 whole 2 by 5. Don't take LCM here because LCM is the process to solve addition or subtraction of fraction. So there is no need to take LCM because there is a multiplication sign. So first rule, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 12 upon 5 multiply 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 17 upon 5. Now use the previous rule, the product of all numerator upon product of all denominator. On looking here, there is no common table of 5 and 12 as well as 5 and 17. So you have to multiply 17 and 12 become 204 and 5 5 are 25. Sometimes student stop here, but this is not your last step because this is an improper fraction. So convert into mixed fraction again. 25 8 ja 204 is divided by 25. 25 8 ja 200 and remainder is 4. So 8 whole 4 upon 25. This is your answer. Whenever you got improper fraction, you will convert into mixed fraction again. So student, I hope you will understand. There is little more step for conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we should take another example. So student, this is the second example. 5 upon 11 multiply 3 whole 1 by 7 multiply 2 whole 1 by 4. So again the first convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 upon 11 multiply 7 3 ja 21 plus 1 22 upon 7 multiply 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9 upon 4. So product of all numerator upon product of all denominators. 11 1 ja 11 11 2 ja 22 2 1 ja 2 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 4. So there is no other fraction which have common factor other than 1. So you should multiply 9 5 ja 45 1 ja 45 and 7 2 ja 14. Again you see here this is an improper fraction, then convert into 14 3 ja 42 3 whole 3 by 14. So student, I hope you will understand the solution of the mixed fraction in multiplication form. Now I have take another example in which in place of multiply the word of is used. So student, in this example look here, instead of multiply you have to see here the word of in two places. According to BODMAS rule, we have to solve of first, then take bracket of two fraction 13 3 ja 39 plus 140 upon 3 of 5 3 ja 15 plus 4 19 upon 5. Multiply another bracket 1 upon 15 of 38 1 ja 38 plus 7 45 upon 38. Now solve of 40 upon 3 multiply 19 upon 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 8 जा 40, multiply 1 upon 15, multiply 45 upon 38. 45 बन जा 45, 45 3 जा 15 बन जा 15, 15 3 जा 45. Now product 19 8 multiply 19 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 38. 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 19 1 जा 19, 19 2 जा 38. Then 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8. Then 4 1 जा 4 upon 1. If you will find 1 in denominator, you can write a whole number 4, because 4 upon 1 is called 4. So student, check this. This is the solution of mixed fraction with using word of. I hope you will understand these processes of solution of product of fraction, simple fraction as well as mixed fraction. If you feel some difficulty in solution, we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.